Which synonym belongs to genre? The correct answer is kind. Which synonym belongs to insolent? The correct answer is cocky. Which synonym belongs to premonitory? The correct answer is precursory. Which synonym belongs to incipient? The correct answer is nascent. Which synonym belongs to indeterminate? The correct answer is indeterminate. Which synonym belongs to atheistic? The correct answer is atheistical. Which synonym belongs to gregarious? The correct answer is outgoing. Which synonym belongs to parvenu? The correct answer is arrivista. Which synonym belongs to malicious? The correct answer is evil. Which synonym belongs to incontrovertible? The correct answer is unquestionable. Which synonym belongs to agility? The correct answer is nimbleness. Which synonym belongs to embryonic? The correct answer is embryonal. Which synonym belongs to endemic? The correct answer is native. Which synonym belongs to moot? The correct answer is obsolete. Which synonym belongs to obstetrician? The correct answer is tochologist. Which synonym belongs to roseate? The correct answer is rosy. Which synonym belongs to mincing? The correct answer is palliate. Which synonym belongs to loaf? The correct answer is despise. Which synonym belongs to lechery? The correct answer is lewdness. Which synonym belongs to ascendancy? The correct answer is superiority.